nung box, manga agad. Let's go! First box, box number 9 for Boss Uncle. Uncle. Let's go! May OP11 tayo, 380, 1 to 24, no? Para sa mga gustong mag-lock check. Let's go, boss! Empty. Let's start this night right, man. Good luck! PL Guns pack lang para recta finder na. Yeah! Goods ba yung sounds natin o palitan natin? Parang masyadong in love yun eh. Let's go, boss! Uncle, ang first gun pack na. Saan papunta, boss? Aray ka! Let's go, boss! Uncle! First 6. Yan. May pinagdadaanan lang, di. Ang chill lang yan. Panguna nating panguna nating gabi. Aray ka! Go to the regular programming. Yan. Go, go, go! Boss Uncle, PL God pack ang hand. Empty, boss. Let's go. Yan. First 6 natin, Boss Uncle. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Rare, pare. 1, 2, 3, 4. Rare pa rin, boss. Next, 1, 2, 3, 4. Rare din, boss. Rayleigh. 1, 2, 3, 4. And syempre leader. Rare yan. Goods, 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 goods. 3 SR out, boss. Wala pang doon. Golden chance tayo dyan, boss. No? Good luck. Let's go. Next 6, pre. Let's go. Pwede muna natin itong kalat natin, syempre. May BW, boss. Wala tayong BW, meron tayong OP11. Pwede natin yung BW yun. May BW kaso naka-feel ko siya. Boss Uncle, good luck. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Rare, bossing. Next, 1, 2, 3, 4. And rare, Absalon. Full na 14, yes, boss. 1, 2, 3, 4. Regular Dawn. 8 na lang inaabangan natin, bossing. 1, 2, 3, 4. Uy, ano to, bossing? Bossing, ano to, boss? Grabe naman, first box natin, mga bossing. Suna-suna agad, mga boss. Manga event agad, mga bossing. Grabe. Grabe ka na, Boss Uncle. Baka ikaw na magpalabas ng gold dito natin. First box of the night. Suna-suna agad, mga bossing. Suna-suna.